Hi, this is Dan from Sleeve. We recently created what we're calling a ring kit. It's two sets of rings. One's a firm and one's a soft. So here we have the large ring in firm, and we have a medium size, and then we have a smaller size. And same thing, we have a larger size in soft, a medium size in soft, and then a smaller one in soft. With these, you can see how much they stretch, and you can see you'll receive a card that tells you exactly what the outside circumference is and what the inside circumference is. Gives you a good idea of what you'll be receiving in your product. These rings can also be used to see how much the difference is in stretch. So this is firm, and this would be soft. Also, these rings can be used as a penis ring. And what's that? So we have the ring. So the ring could be placed over your penis. It's basically to constrict the blood flow. If you have a pump and you use a pump, for instance, you can use the ring kit. So it has multi-purpose, and you can also stretch it over your testicle as well to help. And so there's the larger size if need be, and even the smaller size. So that's the ring kit. Hope it helps.